Don't waste my time, oh. Do so that you go and eat. Jay, I beg, I will be with you and Jonathan soon. Well, today I'm going to be teaching you word and opposite. And we said that the opposite of boy is
girl.
Now, what is the opposite of come?
Go.
And what is the opposite of sit?
Chair.
What is the opposite of sit?
Chair.
Opposite of sit is stand. Repeat after me. Say stand.
Stand.
Now, what is the opposite of front? Front. What is the opposite of front? Back. Back. Back, Emanuela. Back. Back, for Christ's sake.
Okay. Uncle, should I stop barking? I should bark like David's dog.
See you next Friday. 5 Nights of Glory.
Every abnormality in your life, everything contrary in your destiny, today, not tomorrow, that evil is averted forever.
5 Nights of Glory 2016 at Salvation Ministries Church, 17 BRB Street, GRA Phase 1, Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria, and all her satellite churches and viewing centers from 18th to 22nd of January 2016. For more inquiries, visit www.5nog.org. Get ready.